Welcome to RealNext. In this video, we are going to learn how to search, save, update, recall, and set notifications for frequent searches. Many of our clients have routine searches that they do in Marketplace. They also have routine searches to identify recent updates or find new listings added since the initial search. For example, a user may want to save and recall the following filters as a starting point for their searches. Listing type, choose sale. Property type, choose office. Location, choose a city. Updated, choose last 2 days, last week, etc. A user may then want to be notified of updates or new listings that meet these saved search requirements instead of having to initiate the search over and over again. RealNext has added the ability for its users to easily save, update, recall, and manage frequent searches. RealNext has added the ability to set and receive notifications for updates and new listings that meet your saved search requirements.
For example, a user may want to save and recall the following filters as the starting point for their searches. Now let's go to set the listing type as sale. The property type is set to office, and the location we have chosen is Las Vegas, Nevada. Other filters for location include the county, zip code, and cross streets, among others. There is also the property criteria section that you can edit. You can set the property size, price, and other criteria that the client may need. Finally, there is some additional fields located at the bottom of the search panel. Let's apply the search and see what we get. If you noticed, the search panel on the left side of the map disappeared. Reopen it by simply clicking on the Search Listings button. You can also close it by clicking the X, or you can pin it so that it never closes. You also have the option to close the results panel by clicking the arrow. Marketplace has quick search tools located on the right side of the map. In this demonstration, we are using the Draw Polygon tool. You would need to click to set each point. Let's assume that a portion of your clients asks for properties within this area. We can save this search so that you are able to quickly access this again. First, give your search a name. Now beneath it, there are boxes that you can check. One which will notify you by email when new listings match this search, and the other when listings that are updated match that search. You can also search for properties without using the search panel. You can do this by using the radius search tool. Start by clicking the center point of your radius, then move your mouse out to expand the radius. Let go of the mouse when your radius is the correct size. To change the size of the radius, click one of the 4 points on the outside of the radius and drag it. To move the circle, click the anchor in the center of the circle and drag it to a new location. Let go of the mouse button to refresh the properties inside the circle. You can then save that as a search. Let's clear our drawing and stay in Las Vegas. Now another way you can search for listings is to use our zip code tool. This tool can show or hide the zip code boundaries, so when we click on it, we can select specific zip code areas we want listings for and save that as a search. And to recall a search, all you have to do is click on Restore Search at the top of the map and click on the search you wish to recall. You can make any changes, and if you want to update your search with your new criteria, click on Save Again and hit Update. RealNext has also added the ability to set and receive notifications for updates and new listings that meet your saved search requirements. If you choose to stop receiving notifications, click on Saved Searches in the top from the application navigation bar. In the notification column, you can turn on or off notifications for new or updated listings for that saved search. In the next column, the Actions column, we will be using the plus icon. This creates a wanted listing to market your needs. When you click on it, there are two different wanted listing types. The first is the space wanted, spaces that you would want. And the next is investment wanted, spaces that you would want an investment for. Click Save once you are done choosing which wanted list you would want to create. And if we go back to the search panel, we do this by going to the application navigation bar at the top of your screen and going to the leftmost application. Now, going to the search panel on the left-hand side of your screen, and then we will go to listing type and click the drop down. You can notice two types, investment wanted and space wanted. We can then search for investment wanted and spaces wanted, and we can see what other people have posted to the market. And this is what the notification will look like once you receive it in your email.
Thank you for watching our video on how to save, update, recall, search, and set notifications for frequent searches.